If you're trying to understand how NFL betting works inside a major sportsbook like BetMGM Sportsbook, the first thing to know is that it isn't about guessing games blindly or chasing luck. It's about understanding how odds, matchups, and markets are structured so you can read what the sportsbook is presenting. And when it comes to the NFL, meaning the National Football League, every single game becomes a collection of different betting options built around performance predictions, statistics, and public betting behavior. So imagine you open a sportsbook app and you're looking at an NFL matchup. You're not just seeing two teams on a screen, you're seeing different types of betting lines attached to that game. The most common one is the Moneyline, which simply means you're choosing which team will win the game outright. No point differences, no complicated conditions, just who wins. But even this simple looking option has odds attached to it. And those odds tell you how likely the sportsbook thinks each team is to win and how much payout potential is involved if that prediction is correct. Then you have something called the point spread, which is where things start to feel more strategic. Instead of just picking a winner, the spread creates a virtual margin of victory. One team is favoured and must win by more than a certain number of points, while the underdog can lose by a small margin or win outright for the bet to succeed. This is done to balance competition, especially when one NFL team is significantly stronger on paper than the other. Another major option you'll see is the over/under, also called the total. This is not about which team wins, instead is about the combined final score of both teams. The sportsbook sets a number, and the idea is to predict whether the actual total score will be higher or lower than that number. This is especially popular in NFL games because football scoring can be unpredictable and one big play can completely shift totals. Now, when you're inside a platform like BetMGM Sportsbook, all of these options are displayed together in a structured way. You'll usually see the game listed first, and then underneath it, different categories of wagers. The layout is designed to make it easy to compare choices, but it can still feel overwhelming at first because each game can contain dozens of different betting variations, including player-based bets like who will score a touchdown, how many passing yards a quarterback will throw for, or even how many receptions a wide receiver might get. Before going deeper into strategy, it's important to understand that sportsbooks like BetMGM are not just random guess generators. They are built on data modeling. That means odds are influenced by team performance history, injuries, weather conditions, home field advantage, and even betting volume from users. If a lot of people are betting on one side, the sportsbook may adjust odds to balance risk. That's why odds can shift between the time a line opens and the time a game starts. When you look at NFL betting from a beginner perspective, one of the most important things to understand is that you are not trying to beat the system in a single moment. You are interpreting probabilities. For example, if a strong team has low odds, that doesn't mean they are guaranteed to win. It just means the sportsbook believes they are more likely to win based on available information. On the other hand, an underdog might have higher payout potential because their chance of winning is considered lower. Inside BetMGM's interface, each selection you explore is tied to odds that usually appear in American format, like plus 150 or minus 200. A negative number means the team is favoured, and you would need to risk more to win less. A positive number means the team is the underdog, and the payout is higher if they succeed. This balance is designed so that both sides of a bet attract interest. One thing beginners often overlook is how important context is when analysing NFL games. Football is not a consistent sport where the strongest team always dominates. Injuries, coaching decisions, weather, and even stadium conditions can change outcomes dramatically. A team that looks strong on paper might struggle in cold weather or away games, while a weaker team might perform unexpectedly well at home with crowd support. Now, when people explore platforms like BetMGM, they often get drawn into something called live betting or in-game markets. This means odds change while the game is happening. If one team scores early, the entire structure of predictions shifts instantly. The sportsbook reacts in real time, adjusting numbers to reflect the new state of the match. For viewers, this creates a fast-moving environment where probabilities are constantly being recalculated. Another layer that makes NFL betting interesting is player props. Instead of betting on the full team outcome, you might look at individual performance predictions. For example, whether a quarterback will pass for over a certain number of yards, or whether a running back will score a touchdown. These markets are popular because they focus on specific moments within the game, rather than the final result. However, it's important to understand that while these systems can be entertaining to analyse, they are designed for risk. No outcome is guaranteed, and sportsbooks are structured so that long-term prediction accuracy is very difficult to sustain. That's why experienced users often focus more on understanding trends rather than chasing quick wins. If you zoom out and look at the overall experience inside BetMGM, the platform is essentially a structured sports prediction environment. It organises NFL games into categories of probability and allows users to explore different outcomes based on statistical models. But the key idea is that everything is based on probability, not certainty. Another important concept in NFL betting is bankroll management, which simply means controlling how much money you are willing to risk over time. Many beginners make the mistake of putting too much on a single game, thinking they are confident in the outcome. But professional analysts tend to spread risk across multiple outcomes, rather than relying on one prediction. It's also worth noting that emotional betting is one of the biggest pitfalls in NFL wagering. This happens when someone bets based on loyalty to a team rather than objective analysis. For example, supporting a favourite team even when statistics suggest they are likely to lose. Sportsbooks like BetMGM do not factor in emotion, they only reflect probabilities and market behaviour. As you continue to learn how NFL betting systems work, you start to notice that successful analysis often comes down to patterns rather than instincts. Looking at how teams perform against certain defensive styles, how quarterbacks handle pressure, or how teams perform in specific weather conditions can all influence outcomes more than just general team reputation. At its core, a platform like BetMGM Sportsbook is a structured environment that organizes these predictions into a user-friendly interface. It doesn't guarantee outcomes, but it provides a way to explore statistical expectations for every NFL matchup in the National Football League season. For beginners, the most important takeaway is not to rush the process. Understanding how odds work, how spreads balance games, and how totals reflect scoring expectations takes time. Once those basics become familiar, the entire system starts to feel less like guessing and more like interpreting information. And finally, responsible engagement is key. NFL betting environments are designed for entertainment and analytical exploration, but they should always be approached with awareness and limits. The smartest approach is to focus on learning how the system works, how odds are structured, and how different factors influence outcomes, rather than treating it as a shortcut to predictable results. Once you understand that foundation, every NFL game becomes more than just a matchup. It becomes a layered set of probabilities, predictions, and evolving conditions that reflects how complex sports actually are.